Welcome to Healthcare Essentials, your ultimate destination for wellness wisdom. Subscribe now for a healthier, happier you.
Millets are tiny grains packed with fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients. They help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, crucial for cancer prevention. Try a millet salad: cooked millet, bell peppers, carrots, tomatoes, olive oil, and lemon juice. Delicious and healthy. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin has been shown to reduce cancer cell growth. Make turmeric tea by mixing a teaspoon of turmeric with hot water, black pepper, and lemon. Drink daily to boost your immune system. Garlic contains allicin, which reduces cancer risk by blocking cancer-causing substances. A quick garlic stir-fry is perfect. Sauté garlic with your favorite vegetables and soy sauce. This dish is flavorful and helps in cancer prevention. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, reducing the risk of several cancers. Try a ginger smoothie. Blend fresh ginger with pineapple, banana, and yogurt. This smoothie is both delicious and nutritious. Incorporate millets, turmeric, garlic, and ginger into your diet to help protect your body from cancer. These simple recipes are a great start. Remember, a healthy diet is a powerful tool in cancer prevention. Stay healthy, everyone.